In this video, you will learn how you can repost an Instagram post. Now, this is very simple. The first thing we need to do is head over to Instagram. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a post that I want to repost to my profile. So if I go to the Explore page, you can go ahead and choose whatever you like. So for example, I will just choose this post here. Now, if I want to repost this, I can then go to the bottom right hand corner, click on the share icon. And then once I click on the share icon, you will now see add to story in the bottom left. Click on this, that will then bring this over to your story. You can then add any text. So for example, tutorial, you will then be able to add stickers and customize this as you would a normal story. And then once you have finished, you can simply click on the arrow here and then select share. Now, click on done. And then once we do this, if we head back over to our profile, as you can see, this has now been reposted to my Instagram story. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can repost on Instagram.